let these people go too. That's no problem.